Now we are going to discuss some important term about automata theory. Suppose if there is any string on Turing machine, so either it will be hang or it will be halt. Or in halted Turing machine, LBA, linear bounded automata, PDA and finite automata, these all will be halt on every input. HTM, LBA, PDA, FA will be halt on every input. But HTM and LBA both can hang. Why they can hang? Because they can't move in back forth direction. They can move only forward direction. This is the reason behind it. So they can hang. But PDA and FA, they cannot hang because they can move in left and right both direction. So as we know, finite automata can be of two types, DFA or NFA. And DFA and NFA, and DFA is a special case of NFA. DFA is a special case of NFA. In the similar way, PDA can be DPDA or NPDA. DPDA or NPDA. DPDA comes under CFL and NPDA comes under CFL and DPDA comes under DCFL. That's why NPDA cannot be equals to DPDA. That's why NPDA cannot be equals to DPDA. As we discussed in Chomsky hierarchy also, that initially we start with the regular language and then we go to the CFL, and in between regular and CFL there is one thing which is called DCFL. That's why NPDA and DPDA cannot be equal. And CFL accept palindrome string. Palindrome is string. CFL accept palindrome is string like WWR. So that's why NPDA is more powerful. NPDA is more powerful than DPDA because it accepts palindrome string. But NPDA is more powerful than DPDA because it accepts palindrome string, but DPDA cannot. And one more thing is, every language for which DPDA exists, every language for which DPDA exists, there exists an NPDA for that, but converse is not true always. Means there are some language for that it is not possible. For every language DPDA exists, there exists an NPDA, but there are some languages for which NPDA which exists in NPDA but does not exist in DPDA. That's why converse is not true always. There is no algorithm for unique finite automata or minimal finite automata or minimal NFA. But number of states will be unique, but number of states will be unique in minimal FA and NFA. Why? Minimal FA always belongs to NFA because DFA have no choice and NFA have more choice. NFA have more choice. What does it mean? As we know, in NFA, many transition can go from one state to another state.